the solution of our arcade trivia March week 1 third lab solution pivot tables in Google Sheets, and it is going to be very easy solution. तुरंत आपकी lab complete हो जाएगी. Just follow me, and before that I simply want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the previous two lab that you can access from this playlist, and one by one all the remaining solution would also get updated. So I will suggest you to please access the playlist from the link in the description box. Now without wasting time, start the third lab, open it and click on the start lab button and wait for the credentials to be loaded. Once the credentials get loaded, we will start processing the lab. First of all, we will copy the password. Click on the copy button, then right click upon open Google Sheets and open it in incognito window. Incognito window में open करेंगे. Click on the next button. We will automatically get the email ID. We just need the password. So paste the password here and hit enter button. Click on I understand and we get logged in into the Google Sheets. Yes, this time we are working on the Google Sheets instead of working on the Google Cloud Console. Once the sheet get loaded, you have to click on the blank spreadsheet. Now here, once the new blank sheet get open, you have to come back to the lab and go to the description of the video. Video के description में जाना है. There you will find the link of this drive link, the drive file. You have to download this Excel sheet from the drive, and again the link of this Excel sheet is in the description box. Access it, open it and download it. Once you download it, you have to simply come back to this incognito tab where we open the empty sheet, and you have to click on the file, and from here you have to click on the import button and click on the upload button and click on the browse. Now we have to navigate or find that file wherever we download it or save it. जहाँ भी आपने अपने local storage में save किया है वहाँ से इसे browse करेंगे. Wait for it. Select this on the Rice Bakery web traffic. Click on open. Once it gets loaded, you have to make sure that it is marked as replace spreadsheet. Then click on the import data. Now once the spreadsheet get loaded, we have to rename it. So for that name, we have to come back to the lab, scroll down, and we will search for the name of the spreadsheet. We have to give it. Okay. So the name would be on the Rice of the Bakery sheet web traffic. So we will copy it from here. Just copy it very carefully. Make sure you don't open the link. We will just copy it. Okay. Or just come search in if there is anyone. Yes, here is the name given in that pointer number, say 8th of the first task. We can copy from here. Copy it very carefully. Once you copied the name, you can simply come back to here. Click on got it. Click on this untitled spreadsheet. Remove this and paste the new name. Click anywhere else. Now your name should look like this. Now we can come back to the lab, and one by one we will click on the check my progress to get the green tick for all the tasks. Task number 1 completed. Same for the task number 2. Click on this, check my progress. You will get the green tick here. Scroll down, click on the task number 3, click on check my progress. There are possibility कि आपको task number 3 में एक बार में green tick नहीं मिले. You may not get the green tick in the first try for the task number 3. Then simply wait, try to 1 to 2 times. You will definitely get the green tick because the process is happening in the backend. That's why it's taking a time. Yes, we get the green tick for the task number 3 as well. So scroll down now. Click on you don't need to submit this. आपको submit नहीं करना है. Totally skip this. Scroll down. Click on this check my progress. You will get the green tick here. Once you get the green tick for all the tasks, you are done. Your lab is completed. Congratulations. You can click on the end lab button now. Click on the end lab button once again. Give the star rating that you want to give and click on the submit button and come back to main page to verify whether we actually get the green tick in the lab or not. Main page पे आके एक बार check कर लेते हैं. Scroll down, open the module, and you will see that we get the green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed this lab. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or on the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Good. Bye.